Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it's a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Paul, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell me about yourself.
A very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do in a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
It's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes, so today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So who starts, you or me?
How about you start, Paul? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What is your name?
Okay, my name is Paul. P-A-U-L.
Nice to meet you, Paul. My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. So, next question. Where are you from?
Ooh, good one. I am from Canada.
Canada. Wow. I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Emily?
I live in a big city. It's very busy, very noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden.
A garden. Oh, I love gardens. I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment?
No, it's a small apartment. But it's very nice. I like it.
Good. Okay, so we have name, where you are from, and where you live. What's next?
How about, how old are you, Paul? If you want to say.
Of course, it's okay. I am 28 years old.
28. Okay.
And you, Emily, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
25, a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, so now for a big question.
I'm ready.
What do you do, Paul?
I am a teacher.
A teacher. Of course. You are a teacher on Mr. English Channel.
Yes, exactly. I am an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. It's a great job.
Thank you. What about you, Emily? What do you do?
I am a student.
A student. What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
Wow, art. That is so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and creative.
I can see that. An art student and an English teacher.
A perfect team for a podcast.
Love it. Okay, let's see. We have name, place, age, and job. What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about family.
Okay, family is a great topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Emily?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Tom. Is he older or younger than you?
He is older. He is 29.
Oh, so he is 1 year older than me.
Yes. What about you, Paul? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah. That's a beautiful name. Is she older or younger?
She is younger than me. She is a student, like you.
Oh, really? What does she study?
She studies music. She plays the piano.
Wow, a music student and an art student. That's so creative.
Yes, my family is very creative. My mother is a writer.
A writer? That is amazing. And your father?
My father is a doctor.
A doctor. Wow, a very nice family, Paul.
Thank you, Emily. Tell me about your parents. What do they do?
My mother is a teacher too. She teaches little children.
Oh, that is a very important job. Wonderful.
Yes, and my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
A chef. Does he cook for you at home?
Yes, the food is always delicious.
I am jealous. That is so cool. So we have family. Now, how about pets?
Pets. Yes, I love pets. Do you have a pet, Paul?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. I love dogs. What is his name?
His name is Max. He is very friendly and very funny.
Oh, Max. What color is he?
He is brown. A small, brown, happy dog.
That sounds so cute. I want to meet Max.
Love it. Maybe one day. Do you have a pet, Emily?
Yes, I have a cat.
A cat. See, we are different. A dog person and a cat person.
It's true. Her name is Luna.
Luna? That's a lovely name. What does she look like?
She is black and white. She is very quiet and very sleepy.
A sleepy cat. That sounds normal.
Yes, she sleeps all day. It's a good life.
It is, for a cat. Okay, so we know a lot now. Name, age, job, family, pets.
Now let's talk about things we like, our favorite things.
Good idea. This is the fun part. Let's start with food.
Yes. Okay, Paul. What is your favorite food?
This is a difficult question. I like many foods.
Just choose one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. A great choice. I love pizza too.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes and peppers and onions.
That sounds healthy and delicious. I like pepperoni pizza.
A classic. Good choice.
So, is pizza your favorite food too?
It's one of my favorites, but my number one favorite food is pasta.
Ah, pasta is a good choice too. Very yummy.
Yes, I love it. Okay, next favorite thing. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue is a very nice, calm color. I like it.
Thank you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green, like the trees and the grass in a garden.
Exactly. I love the color of nature.
That's beautiful. Blue sky and green grass. Perfect.
It is. Okay, what's next? Favorite animal?
Oh, this is easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog, of course.
I know, because of Max.
Yes, dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them. What about you? Is your favorite animal a cat?
Yes, I love cats. They are so elegant and independent.
Elegant. That is a good word for cats.
They are. Okay, let's move on to hobbies.
Hobbies, the things we do for fun. Great topic. What are your hobbies, Emily?
Well, I am an art student, so my hobby is painting.
Of course. Do you paint a lot?
Yes, every weekend. It helps me relax. I also like to read books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories. How exciting.
It is. What about you, Paul? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I love listening to music.
Music. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like rock music, old rock music.
Ah, very cool. And what else?
I also like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
Soccer. You are very active.
I try to be. It's fun to run and play with friends.
That's great. So, you like sports. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. Laughing is the best. I like comedy movies and also animated movies.
Animated movies are great. So much imagination.
Yes, they are beautiful to watch too.
This is great. We are learning so much about each other.
I know. It's like we're answering, tell me about yourself right now.
Yes, we are. We are giving a very long answer.
A very, very long answer. Let's think. What else?
We can talk about things we don't like.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. What is a food you don't like, Paul?
A food I don't like. Let me think. I do not like olives.
Olives? Really? I like olives.
See, we're different again. I don't like the taste. What about you? Is there a food you don't like?
Yes. I don't like spicy food. Very hot food.
Oh, I see. For me, a little spicy is okay, but very, very spicy, no thank you.
Exactly. Okay, what about an activity you don't like?
An activity I don't like. I don't like to wait in long lines.
Does anyone like that?
I don't think so. It's so boring.
I agree. I don't like that either. I also don't like to wake up very early.
Are you not a morning person?
No, not at all. I like my sleep.
I understand completely. Sleeping is very important.
So, this is a good way to describe yourself. You can say what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, that's a very good point. It shows your personality. For example, hello, my name is Paul. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
That's a great introduction. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like to wake up early.
Perfect. It's simple, it's clear, and it's friendly.
I think we have covered a lot. Name, from, live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, dislikes. Wow.
That is a very good list for tell me about yourself. You don't need to say everything at one time.
Oh, no. That's a good tip. You can choose. Maybe you say your name and your job.
Yes. Or your name and your hobby. It depends on the situation.
If you are in a class, maybe you say your name and why you are learning English.
Exactly. You can say, my name is Paul. I'm from the United States. I like to learn new things.
And if you are at a party, you can say, hi, I'm Emily. I love to paint and listen to music.
That's a great way to start a conversation.
It is. The person can then ask, oh, what do you paint? Or what music do you like?
And a new friendship begins. It all starts with, tell me about yourself.
It really does. It's not a scary question. It's an invitation.
An invitation to share a little bit about you. That's a beautiful way to think about it.
I think it's been very nice to learn more about you, Paul.
Me too, Emily. I learned you are an art student who loves pasta and green, and you have a sleepy cat named Luna.
And I learned you are a teacher who loves pizza and blue, and you have a friendly dog named Max.
It was a very successful conversation.
Yes, and I hope it was helpful for all our listeners.
I hope so too. Remember, you can use these simple sentences to talk about yourself.
Yes, don't be afraid. Keep it simple and be friendly. That's the most important part.
That is the perfect advice. A smile is very important too.
Always. Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow, time goes fast when you're having fun.
It really does. This was a great chat.
It was. So before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like. It really helps people find our podcast.
And please, please share it with anyone who is learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes, go to the comment section below and tell us about yourself. You can write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name is your name. I am from your country.
Or I like your hobby. Or my favorite food is your food. Anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
Yes, it'll be so much fun.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Emily.